What's up, guys? Welcome back to JS Detailing. We're gonna go over this 2024 Ford F450 Platinum. We don't always just do Corvettes. We do actually do other vehicles as well. This customer, he's a really great friend of ours, and he brings us a lot of vehicles, and he just got this new one to tow his collector cars and race cars and everything, and he obviously wanted it protected, especially being black. We've already kind of started on it, as you can see. He opted to do our full front end package, which is, full hood, fenders, fender flares, bumpers, headlights, any kind of grill accent pieces that we can cover, we'll cover. And then we're also doing the off-road package, which it actually comes up to this body line, and so it'll protect from all the rocks and debris down there. And then we're also going to dual layer his dually fenders, because as you can imagine, being a dually, these dually fenders just get beat up a lot with rocks and everything. Even with splash guards, if you put any kind of aftermarket tire on there, they're just going to throw rocks. So we're actually going to layer it up. We'll lay down the first layer, and then we'll put another layer down here and a section up here, so we can actually replace those as they get chewed up without compromising the paint or the bottom layer. So kind of a little bit of a custom package. Again, not all of our packages are just full on, it is what it is. You can customize however you want to, and this is just another great example of that. Another thing our customers really like is our leather ceramic. So with this Platinum, we're gonna go ahead and coat all of the leather surfaces that are high contact, such as the armrests, the seats, center console, steering wheel. And then we're also going to do the matte PPF again on the touchscreens to minimize fingerprints and just kind of help keep it easier to maintain and keep it clean. And then of course, to round it all off, we're going to top it with our Crystal Serum Ultra coating. It's a 9-year guaranteed coating through G-Technic. And of course, with this thing being as big as it is and it's black, one of the hardest colors obviously to keep clean, that Crystal Serum Ultra will just make it a breeze. I mean, water, bugs, everything just blow right off of it. It's really easy to maintain. So if you have a big vehicle and you want it to keep it glossy, make the paint always look like it's wet, and keep it easier to maintain, Crystal Serum Ultra is the best coating in our opinion. So definitely look into that.